This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. Once visible, switch to the Details tab so you see exact process names and PID. Look for the process tied to the file you intend to remove. This is critical because a running process locks the file. If unsure, right-click and choose Properties or Open File Location to confirm the file path. Make sure you note whether the process is a user app or a system service before proceeding. You now end the process to release the file lock. Right-click and select End Task or End Process Tree if multiple child processes exist. Once done, confirm the process is gone from the list. Next, use Open File Location to reveal the file in Explorer so you can remove it directly. If Task Manager won't let you end the process, make sure you ran Task Manager as administrator. Otherwise, you may need elevated rights to stop system-owned processes. You finish by deleting the file from the Explorer window, using Shift plus Delete when you want permanent removal. Once removed, double-check Task Manager to ensure no related processes restart. Make sure background services aren't auto-launching the file. If deletion fails, reboot into safe mode or open an elevated command prompt and run del with the full path. This often frees stubborn files. And if antivirus or a service is locking the file, temporarily stop that service or quarantine from your security tool as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.